Hey everybody, it's Shanapi, and yes, this video will be about the recent K-pop convention that happened in my city. It's KPOPDAVAO's 4th convention, the grand beginning, and it was held on October 19, 2014. I know, this has been long overdue, but sorry, Vianney. I've been busy during the past 2 weeks, but finally I had a chance to film and edit the videos or footages that I got during the K-pop convention. Well, this is the second K-pop convention that I have attended here in my city. I also attended, one K-con last year, which was hosted by SM Town, and I think it was a goodbye stage. At that time, I was not yet very much into K-pop. This year, I had more fun, I can say, because I am more familiar with the music and with the people, so it was more enjoyable for me. So I actually brought home a few things from the convention, and let's talk about that first. Hana! Souvenirs! So I got this bag tag that says, "Keep calm and listen to K-pop," which is really cute, and this bar pin that says "The Grand Beginning." You guys, you are really creative. This is really nice. Duh! If you want to attend the convention, of course you have to buy some tickets, and that will also serve as your entry for the raffle draw. You can drop your stub in the fandom that you belong to. If you've been watching my video for a long time, you would know that my ultimate bias is Hyorin from Sistar, but they did not really have a basket for the Sistar fandom. So I decided to drop my stub, I decided to drop my stub in the YG basket because it's like, yeah, I like Big Bang and I like 2NE1. And when Miss Didang picked the first winner, she called my name, and of course I was very surprised. I wasn't expecting at all. I got this poster. This Big Bang poster. Of course I'm thankful, I just got this for free. It's really nice, right? But it would have been better if I got that album, right? But anyways, yeah, still I'm very thankful for this, so thank you! And set! I met a lot of K-popers and cover groups, which was very nice. I was able to take a lot of photos with them. I met a lot of young and very inspiring K-pop cover groups like Intensity 5 and Encore. And congratulations, by the way, guys, you definitely deserve the win. And I finally met the people who reignited my interest in K-pop. Yeah, I'll show you the clip right here. These are the people who got me engaged into K-pop. And they also brought me to the SM Town convention last year. These beautiful ladies brought K-pop to me in a different light. Net! Because of a recent K-con, I have a new lock screen! And sometimes I just stare at the lock screen. I don't really unlock it. Yeah. This guy is really cute! I'm not sure, maybe I'm his Nuna though. And yeah, I just think he looks very adorable in this picture. Ah, fangirl alert! And that's it. I was able to take home some footages of the performance in the afternoon. Unfortunately, I was late for the event, but then again, I still had fun even though I went there really late. And yes, before I forget, I'd like to give a special shout out to I Got 7's Davao. Na love, na style, na swagger. Especially Lalaine Joy. I finally met Lalaine. I met her at the K-con. She's one of my subscribers. She was such a sweetheart, and yeah, we took some selfies together. So yeah, shout out to I Got 7's Davao, and I hope you're watching this video. And before we finally proceed to the footages, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more K-pop related videos from me, don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel by clicking this button right here. And if you have any questions or requests, feel free to write it down in the comment box. Let's have a chit chat down there. And also feel free to share this video, share fun and our love for K-pop. I'll stop talking right here and let's go to KPOPDAVAO 4th convention, the grand beginning. Kaja!
So we're Okay, judges, sino tatanggalin ang last year? May napansin ba kayo? Ito talaga yung dalawang to. Parang tiwala. Pero yung fairness talaga kasi...
Envelope. It's quiet.
Thank you. Life is one dream, one team, dream team. For exceptionally beautiful ladies. Sige.